Hey guys, it's Jameson Amros with Lifestyle International Realty here in Colorado, and welcome to 15165 Yellowthroat Street here in Parker, Colorado. 6-bed, 5-bath, 4,000 square foot oasis. Situated just minutes from downtown Parker, Lone Tree, and Castle Rock. 4,000 square feet, waiting for you to explore. Let's go check it out. Guys, I just want to thank you for taking the time to check out our newest listing with me here at 15165 Yellowthroat Street. If you guys want any more information or would you like a private tour, please give me a call, 720-584-3361. Contact information will be below, and hopefully you enjoyed this tour. Thanks.